As you guys can see, we are almost here at Faisal Mosque in Islamabad city. This is one of the largest mosque in the South Asia and the fourth largest mosque in the whole world. This is the biggest mosque of Pakistan. After this, we have Badshah Mosque in Lahore. Mashallah. Hi. Hi guys. This mosque designed by a Turkish architecture, Vedar Teluge, in 1986. This is the national mosque of Pakistan. It named after the late king Faisal bin Abdul Aziz of Saudi Arabia, who supported and financed the project. This is also the most beautiful mosque in the top ranking mosques of all over the world. As a Muslim, we are blessed with this mosque, mashallah, with my cutest niece and nephew. Sonu always in a chill mood. Oh, bus car. One of the biggest library with almost all kinds of books. The mosque also have a gift shop with the very unique kind of variety. लोड नहीं है? जाने दे सारा अब तो बन गई है ओके A biggest pool in the basement, you can see, with four side stairs entering in the basement. This is the most beautiful inner view of this mosque. Mashallah. Lots of students come here for Nazra and also for Hifz Quran. चलो माशाल्लाह सोनू praying namaz. As you guys can see, high mountains covering this mosque from all over the sides. They are just looking really beautiful. People come here to visit from all over the Pakistan and also from outer countries.
गाड़ी खोलो बैठो
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.